Hi guys, how you doing today? Hello, hi crypto world. Let me adjust this. Okay. Mm, right over here. Okay. So guys, let me know that what is your bias today, and I'm already in sales right now. Wait, I need to put my stop loss. Something like this. I did my entry somewhere right over here. Okay. You can just say 20 pips stop loss, and we can get 20 pips TP. Okay. Uh, Let me place my position, guys. Let me place my TP and SL on the MT5. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. 1.16796. 796. And the TP is 1.16393. 1.16393. 1.16. Perfect. Okay. Okay, perfect. URM says I am too. Yesterday's trade was very good. Yeah, yesterday's trade was actually good. I told you that on Mondays, Euro USD actually works very good, either it's dice or whatever. So there was a good probability of that. But let's see how we went over there. Let me see. First, let's do the analysis of today. Okay. Let's see what's happening on the daily time frame. Let's come on to the daily time frame. Let me just put a moving average of 21 EMA just to be clear of it. Okay, so if you see on the daily time frame, at 21 EMA is taking the support of this EMA. If you can see the blue line right over here, and forming a structure, trying to form a structure or break above, but there's a rejection a bit. Still, it's forming the canal, right? Let's see on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we are already indicating bullish time frame. Why? Because it's already above the 21 EMA. That means the structure is bullish. If you can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs, and so on, right? So, what we are expecting is a bit of retracement from this zone, which we are forming this bearish candle right now. So let's see if we can get it. If I put my fib, maybe from here, so we'll be getting around 21%, right? Okay, so let me see on. Okay, it also might be a thing that we can get a bit of rejection from this point of time. Why? Because there's a bullish fair value gap. If you can see, guys, there's a bullish fair value gap that is formed on the 4-hour time frame, the small one, right? So we can maybe expect a bit of retracement or rejection or something like that, okay? Because the fair value gap is formed on the 4-hour time frame. But remember, the fair value gap is formed on the premium zone. If the fair value gap is formed in the premium zone, it's very less likely because it should be formed on the discount zone rather than on premium zone. So again, we are taking a bit of confluence that okay, it can be a rejection from this area. We don't have any problem with that. Let's see on the 1 hour time frame what's happening. So 1 hour time frame, if you see, we formed higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs, and so on. Okay, and now from the candle that is formed right away, it's forming a bearish fair value gap if it closes down here and it doesn't flip. Okay, if it doesn't flip, the most likely the trade would be in our favor, and it will break the structure, this order block that was right over here. So we can again see the move further down. Again, we can see a bit of rejection from this area. Why? First, there is a fair value gap area. Second, there is a 21 moving averages. The support of 21 moving averages, which can also act as a, you know, rejection area. And also maybe okay, there's a news today. Is it a red folder? Let me check. Let me check after this. So let's see on the 15 minutes time frame. If you come on the 15 minutes time frame, you can already see that we are in the bearish market structure, and we are forming the bearish fair value gap where on the premium zone. So on the premium zone, it's very effective. If the fair value gap is formed, it's very high probability, and also we are in the kill zone. So that is the scenario for right now. If it wants to flip, then it's another case because there's a news too. Let's see on a 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame. Again, we are heading towards down, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. So we are only trading with the trend rather than against the trend, because it is considered that the movement which comes during the kill zone, we get the movement in the London session, one sided movement. Okay, so that is what I'm expecting. But let me check if we have a news or not. Let me just come on the Forex factory. Okay, let's see the calendar. Today is Tuesday, so wait. GK consumer confidence. GK. Okay, so it's been done, right? It was at 12:30. So it was a yellow folder, but again, you know what? I do believe that even the yellow and orange folder reacts very, very much. If you see on the, oh, you are in the cell, stay aware, it's 12:30 now. Yeah, exactly. I just watched that we are in the bullish fair value gap of 4 hour time frame. But again, let's see. We can expect a bit of rejection from this area. Also, um, I do believe that this area is in the premium zone, right? So it's formed in the premium zone, so mostly it could be less likely to be performed. But let's see, because it's formed on 4 hour time frame, so maybe we can get a bit of rejection from this area. But again, let's see if the 1 hour flips and closes above somewhere here, then again we can expect the bullish movement. But for now we are in the cells. Do you know, Pavan? Yeah, I know. I think he trades Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq, the what we call silver bullet. Also, you can join my Discord. I'll show you the link. Wait, let me invite you in my Discord. So, as what I said, see, where is formed? It really matters where your fair value gap is formed. Why? Because see, if it's forming on the premium zone, right, and we are in the bullish moment, then again we're gonna see a bearish candle, daily candle today. Yeah, that's why my bias is mostly bearish today. Let's see, because the average number of the pips that we can catch in Euro USD is 20 pips. And again, there was a yellow folder today, but again, it didn't react in anything too much today. The thing is, it always gives the one-sided movement in Euro USD at this time. My SL is 20 pips down. I know it's a bit more. Why? Because I have my reasons. See, it's almost 20 pips. Somewhere right over here. I believe that the euro gives the movement of 20 pips. So right now I'm working on 1:1 rather than 1:2 because the win rate of this setup is a bit good. So I'm working on the this, but I'm soon thinking to deduct my SL to nearby highs or lows. But let's see what happens. Maybe we can see one more pullback to the upside, then come down. Let's see. Usually, if we expect at 12:30, there's all about consolidation. So I don't expect any big moves in this session. It only gives the entry part, but if you expect the movement, it's rarely you get the moves in this session. Let's see, it's gonna be sales today. Explain yesterday's trade. Yesterday's trade, okay, just a second. Here, okay. This was the trade that we took yesterday. Although we were bearish in the retracement area right over here, and we tapped on to the fair value gap which was bullish. That too, it was on the discount area. And what happened when we come on 11:30, if you see, wait, 11:30 candle, okay. So 11:30 candle, I always take the trade on the basis of 11:30's candle, okay. So 11:30, if you see the 10:30's candle, you mark the highs and lows of that candle, and we had a good breakout of the 11:10:30's candle, which was this. Even though it had a rejection over right from here, because again I told you, London session, it always, a bit consolidates before giving it a proper move. So it breaks out, and then we saw on 5 minutes time frame, we came, we entered somewhere over here, when we see that the market structure was slowly shifting towards the bullish side, you see, and we took the entry somewhere right over here on the bullish fair value gap that was formed right over here. We had a bit of drawdown, and then we had a good move upside. So this was a very simple trade that I took. Again, it gave the move like around 6 7 around PM, but again it was worth it because see, consolidation always happen in the London session. We can only enter in that. It's barely like, if you see there's some kind of news or something like that, then we expect something, bigger movement in the London session. Except that you just see the consolidation happening. Again, if you guys didn't join my Discord, you can just join the Discord. Again, if you wanna be updated about my live when I do my live. So if you guys have placed your SL somewhere right over here, then might you can do close the partials somewhere on the 10 pips, and then rest for the runners. Are you using any indicator? No, I don't use any indicator, but basically it's just to spot the fair value gaps. And I use this moving average just to explain where we are heading. That's all. For FVG, it's Lux Algo fair value gap indicator. Thank you. No problem. For how long have you been in trading? It's been for the execution, it's been 1 year. Hi, I'm home. That's good. So you were all alone, like trading from the flight or what? I was just watching that you were giving the trades in the Discord, but you said that you were boarding a flight. Where are you from? I'm from India. Yesterday morning, another one came home an hour ago. Thank you for joining my live. Let's see. How does it place? 5 minutes. I want this candle to be closed somewhere below this, and then we are safe. Not going to miss live unless I'm in mid-year. Thank you. That's a really honorable words for me. I tried gold yesterday, but I hit my SL, and that too on live account. I don't think so. I'll be touching this thing. SN P500 SP500 has is on all time high. Yesterday, if you see the yesterday's candle, look at this gap. I mean, it's going crazy. Don't worry, gold is good asset to trade. Yeah, gold is good to trade, but I think I I can't trade gold at all. Whenever I try to do it, it's just a mess for me. And that too, in these market condition, I feel like it's going crazy. It's been a roller coaster in gold. That's true. Try Nasdaq as my friend is also doing Nasdaq. Yeah, as soon I think I'll be live in NY session if it fits in my schedule. But let's see. Soon I'm gonna start Nasdaq too. Let's see. I used to do Nasdaq by the way. It's already been won. Have you tried ICT concepts? I do use ICT concepts or any office model. Yes, I did silver bullet. I tried TAM model. What else? First presented FVG, macros. Guys, it's already been one, so most probably I'll be around ending the live till 5 6 minutes more. Also, if you haven't joined my Discord, join my Discord, and you can follow me on Instagram if you haven't. Like my stream if you like it. Let's see, because again, I'm expecting a lot of consolidation in this zone. Um, you know what? Euro USD, if you wanna build the patience, go for Euro USD because it will build a real patience in you, because you have to wait whole day to get a move, and then you get frustrated because you don't know if like the trade is worth it or not. But at the end, it builds your patience level and everything, your psychology. It slows you down. Just take one trade in Euro USD and you have to sit by it. That's all. It will teach you the real patience, guys. Correct, crypto world. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna leave you with this position. Either it's SL or either it's TP, or we're still gonna take it. I'm gonna take full SL or full TP, and I'll update you on my Discord, whatever it is. So, see you guys tomorrow, same time, and I'll update you on my Discord at what time I'm gonna come live, almost around 11:30. And if you have any questions, just ask me on my Instagram, or you can message on community chat of Discord. So see you soon, guys, and trade well. Let's trade and let's grow together. See you.